It was a good thing, Kadinu. Oh my God! I just got to Where is my?
My name is Comrade Andrew. I'm a member of Revolution now. Movement, Take It Back movement. We are here.
Your name is Andrew what?
Moses. Yes. We are here in respect of VDM kidnapped. He was kidnapped on the 2nd of May. And we are demanding immediate release of VDM. VDM is not a criminal. If GTB or the federal government feel that he has committed any offense, they have all the time, all the apparatus to invite him or to call him.
Yes.
Not to kidnap him at this very point. So what we are demanding for unconditional release of VDM. Nothing but that is it.
Why VDM was arrested? No statement have been.
The government have refused to issue any statement, not even the EFCC. And we were told that he was brutally beaten and was taken away in a commando form.
And I've not been given what is the linkage between VDM arrest and GTB, because VDM is with EFCC.
GTBank were the one who mandated or who planned or who collaborate with government agencies to make sure that VDM is kidnapped. So and that is why we are here to demand for VDM to be released. Thank you very much.
I'm Comrade Onimisi. I'm the founder Alarm for Nigeria, Grassroots Alarm for Nigeria Project Initiative. I'm an activist. So we are here to tell GTBank because we have noticed a conspiracy. There was a conspiracy on Friday between GTBank and whatsoever the government agency. We don't know whether it's DSS, EFCC, although many have opinion that VDB on EFCC has detained VDM, but up to now there was no press statement, there was no press release, there was no statement from either DSS or EFCC, whether EFCC is in their custody or not. What we've been hearing is rumor, and at the same time, the manner in which VDM was kidnapped, because VDM was not arrested. There's no way you come to arrest somebody, a Nigerian citizen, in fact, so popular like VDM, without any arrest warrant, no invitation, no text message, and you came to smuggle him inside car, inside vehicle. If that thing wouldn't have casted, then VDM maybe wouldn't have realized today. They came to kidnap VDM, and we knew that these people are government officials because there are people who don't want progress in this country. There are people who don't want goodness in this country. There are people who don't love the youth, and we know them. They are the enemies of youth. GTB has conspired with government agency to eliminate VDM on Friday. They should just make sure that that conspiracy is reversed in order for them to free VDM. That's why we are here. Thank you. What I'm saying is that